It's a kitty. It's a kitty paw. And my little buddy. My little buddy Callan. Kill. Emily! I got Callan.
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
It's Callan.
Hey.
Hey, what?
Hi, peoples. Just feeding Ebony. Hey, come on, we need to go feed him.
Bubble.
Hey, we need to go feed him.
I think he wants bubbles. No, he's hungry.
His sister's eating. Look.
Hey, we don't know you meant the knife.
Say hello to the kitten show. Oh.
You see that pretty face?
Thank you for calling me.
Oh yes, and I did not really punch her. I didn't. Although I will though.
You didn't punch me. Okay,
Yeah, my little buddy, he's all fat.
baby boy.
It's my
Oh,
kitten.
you're hungry. You're hungry, definitely. Someone's damn shy.
Kelsey and Jade are coming in the back.
Okay. What's your little butts in there?
Is it raining? It's raining. It's pouring. This video is going on YouTube. I can't see him. I don't know where.
It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, bumped his head.
Woo!
Hey, comment if we're awesome or not. We'll comment if he's awesome or not. Hey, what's your username?
Why do you want to know?
Never mind, because I don't have one.
So, you're not getting mine.
Whatever. Okay, I'm sorry. Hi. I'm a weirdo. Actually, no, I'm not. I get... Sorry. Bye.
We're not leaving yet. We're gonna go find arms. Hey, Zoe.
This is the one who gave birth to them.
This is the mom. Get some more. Stand right there. It's Zoe.
I'm glad you're back.
She's here. It's Zoe. That's the mother of the two. There was originally 3, but we gave the one away. The one was.
Her name was Cinnamon.
Here we go. Zoe. Smile. Smile. You're smiling. You're smiling. You're smiling.
Hey, what's your show called?
I'm just gonna name the video.